video is sponsored by Altium Designer. The link is below the video, in the description box. Altium Designer is the world's most trusted PCB design system. Altium Designer enables engineers to effortlessly connect with every facet of the electronics design process. Over 35 years of innovation and development focused on a truly unified design environment makes it the most widely used PCB design solution. With Altium Designer, you can create PCB designs with an intuitive and powerful interface that connects you to every aspect of the electronics design process. You can get Altium Designer for free through the link below the video in the description box. Register immediately to start designing your projects. Altium 365 Design, the fastest design review ever, allows you to share your designs from anywhere and with anyone with a single click. Also, you can trust Octopart Electronic Component Insights experience to recommend the best components to fit your criteria, so you can focus more on problem solving and thinking creatively.